lost. At a White House ceremony, U.S. President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris observed a minute of silence, just moments after Biden addressed the nation.
I ask all Americans to remember. Remember those we lost and those who left behind. But as we all remember, I also ask us to act, to remain vigilant, to stay socially distanced, to mask up, get vaccinated when it's your turn.
The U.S. death toll is by far the world's highest. More Americans have died in 1 year during the pandemic than in both World Wars and the Vietnam War combined. Nearly 20% of global coronavirus deaths have occurred in the country, even though it accounts for just 4% of the world's population. Looking back at what went wrong, many point to the lack of a unified national response when the outbreak first emerged last year.
It's going to disappear one day. It's like a miracle.
Former President Donald Trump minimized the virus early on and frequently clashed with his own health advisors. For some experts, it's precisely this divisiveness and politicization of the virus that are largely to blame for the country's bungled response.
If ever you did not want to have an outbreak of any sort in a certain condition, it would be in a condition where there was intense divisiveness in society, which is what we have.
Despite the grim death toll, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says that cases have been falling for 5 straight weeks. The 7-day average of new infections dropping nearly 40% since December, when the vaccine rollout began. But hospitalizations and deaths remain high, the CDC warns.